Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I want to show you these front accent lights with turn signals from Tusk for the KRX 1000. These are a simple, easy way to add both some looks to your machine, but also some functionality as well. They're really simple to install. They go right here in the grill. You don't have to modify anything to get them installed. It's essentially plug and play, so the wiring is also very simple to get these wired up. And once you have them installed, you've added some cool looks to your machine. But also what's nice is that these do have a switchback, so you have amber lights that you can use for turn signals. So if you wanted to wire up your KRX with a horn and signal kit, you can utilize these accent lights as your front turn signals. Now keep in mind, if you want to do that, you'll need to buy that horn and signal kit separately. We have those available from Tusk. We also have a kit that will come with these accent lights and the horn and signal kit that you can buy all as one, just to make it very easy to get everything that you're going to need. So again, if you have a KRX 1000, looking to add some cool accent lights to the front, and you also want to add a horn and signal kit at some point, these are the route to take. So if you have questions or comments, though, make sure leave those down below. To grab a set, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just make sure on the product page, enter the year, make, and model of the machine that you have to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. If you have questions, though, we'll get those answered. Leave those down there. Go to RockyMountainATVMC.com right now to get yours. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this and products specific to the KRX 1000, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.